Hello friends, welcome in Ankita's Tech Tutorials. In this video, you will be learn HTML animation tag, that is marquee, and different attributes of marquee. Attributes of marquee tag. Scroll amount for speed, to increase or decrease the speed. Which color is used for background color? Direction right and left. Height. This is the height of background area and width is also background area. Vspace means vertical space and Hspace means horizontal space. Behavior, alternate slide and scroll. This is the animation behavior. So let's start. So this is one notepad file and in that basic syntax is already written. We are going to start writing animation tag, that is marquee. First attribute we will use here, scroll amount. Scroll amount is equal to that value I am giving here 10. This is for speed of the sentence. Now close this, and which sentence you want to animate on the screen, that write here. I am writing here Ankita's Tech Tutorials. To make this sentence big, we will use here font tag. Font size is equal to 9 and close that font here. Save your file marquee.html and I am saving this on the desktop. Go to File Explorer and open your file. See, this our text is displayed on the screen. We can add here background color. Go back again in the notepad and next attribute bg color. This is the attribute of marquee tag. Bg color is orange. Save this and go to browser, refresh here, and this orange background is displayed. Now we will apply direction. By default this text is displayed from right to left. Direction is equal to right. Go to browser and refresh. Now it's moving towards right. Similarly, we will use here up and down. Make sure you are saving the changes. Now we used here up. Refresh on the browser and see the changes. Next value is down. Ctrl S and refresh. It's moving down. So these are four directions: left, right, up and down. Vspace. Vspace is equal to 100. Vertical space. Vspace is used for vertical space. Hspace is equal to 10 and value is in percent. Now refresh. See the result. Vspace for vertical space and Hspace for horizontal space. Next marquee attribute is behavior, that we will do in the new video. If this video is useful for you, then like, share and subscribe.